Today we're adding an outlet in this laundry setup. You guys might remember when I did the plumbing work down here, we did not put an outlet because we needed to rough out the electrical down in this basement remodel before we do that. So now we have this conduit box outlet. We're going to add a GFCI outlet. The reason for that is anywhere there's water, laundry, bathroom, you want to add a GFCI outlet in those areas. So let's get started. So since we're using a metal box for this outlet cover, your outlet is going to have these little wings thingy on them. You're going to want to take your pliers and cut these off just so it will fit in your metal box. If you're using a regular plastic cover box, you wouldn't have this problem, but conduit metal box, you will have this problem. So it should look like this when you're completed. So now let's add this to this. So let's talk about what's going on here. So we have our hot live, our white neutral, and our bare ground. So you might notice the bare ground is pigtailed. The reason for that is we're using conduit, metal conduit. So this has to be grounded in the box as well as grounded on the outlet per code. So if you guys are not familiar with these type of outlets, it actually tells you which wire goes where. So your hot live goes on the gold, your neutral goes on the silver, and your bare ground goes on the green ground screw. So let's wire this up. And please ensure your breaker is off. And if you're not confident in this, please go consult a licensed electrician. All right, guys, we have our outlet nicely wired and snug. So let's flip our breaker back on and see if we see light. Okay, we have light, we have power, everything is good, and that's how you do it. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.